Street food is a vital part of everyday Thai culture. While Western countries have their McDonald's and KFCs, people in Thailand love eating beside the streets, enjoying affordable and delicious meals. Convenient and tasty. That is the hallmark of Thailand's street food cuisine. Today, we're going to cover some local favorites and how you can thrive on less than $20 a day. To survive in Thailand's street food scene, chefs have to be fast and delicious. Coming in at number one on our list is Pad Krapow, literally translated as stir-fried holy basil. This easy-to-prepare dish is arguably one of the most recognizable street food dishes that Thailand has to offer and can be considered as one of the street's favorites.
Hot damn!
A plate at a local vendor can typically cost you 30 to 50 baht, or only 87 to $1.50.
That's bloody good value.
During the Second World War, Thailand's Prime Minister Field Marshal Plaek Phibunsongkhram released a series of cultural mandates aiming to establish a unified and civilized Thai culture. In lieu of these cultural mandates, Pad Krapow was promoted as a popular dish in local Thai cooking competitions. Pad Krapaw's foundation is a very ancient ingredient. Compared with other types of basil, holy basil has a distinctive sweet flavor with a peppery hint. This gives the dish a wonderful and refreshing kick, aside from the regular spice provided by the typical Thai chilies.
Spicy!
Pad Krapow, although a Thai culinary pride, was heavily influenced by Chinese cuisine. The meat, which can be pork, chicken, beef, or seafood, is sautéed in a wok over high heat, together with garlic and holy basil. It is then flavored with fish sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, cane sugar, and bird's eye chilies. Some street chefs also prefer to mix some vegetables into the party, such as baby corn and carrots. Nevertheless, most would serve pad krapow on a bed of steaming white rice and topped with a crispy fried egg. Delicious! Coming in second on our list is Pad Thai, a street food dish from Thailand that most people assume to be an offspring of authentic Thai cuisine. This dish can be commonly found in most Western Thai restaurants around the States, but here in Thailand, it only costs you a fraction of the price. You can find Pad Thai in the markets for only 30 to 100 baht, or $1.22 to $2.88. According to the author Mark Padungpat, Pad Thai is not an authentic Thai dish that was born centuries ago. It is a dish born in a time when Thailand wanted to fortify the nationalism of its people. Thailand suffered from floods and the onslaught caused by World War II. So noodles were introduced to the Thai diet to reduce domestic rice consumption. Over time, rice noodles became a popular Thai food item in the post-war period. Thereafter, Pad Thai became a well-loved dish in and outside Thailand. It carries the famous Thai flavors despite its seemingly foreign beginnings. The rice noodles are stir-fried in a tamarind-based sauce, having a complex flavor combination of sweet, salty, and sour. It is then mixed with a variety of ingredients such as shrimps, bean sprouts, and tofu. Lastly, it can be coated with a scrambled egg, with the pad thai served like a filling to the latter, or the scrambled egg can be cooked separately and served as a topping to the stir-fried noodles. Either way, pad thai is a delicious treat for a hungry foodie like us. Thai cuisine is famous for its special kick that can make you sweat for hours. Thais love spicy food and the diversity of textures with strong flavors. The next pick on our list is a true example of such tasty goodness. Coming in number 3 on our list is the Som Tam, the spicy Thai papaya salad. Here in the Thai street markets, you can get a serving fetch of spicy delicious Som Tam for a whopping 39 to 199 baht, or $1.12 to $3.23. Though it's wildly popular in Thailand, it is believed that Som Tam was actually born in Laos, northeastern neighbor to Thailand. Needless to say, Som Tam became a popular salad dish in that part of the country and eventually found its way to Bangkok when migrants came to the city. It became a street food staple, often eaten as a complement with other dishes commonly found in the Thai street food repertoire. Preparing Som Tam is a very laborious task, although those who want to do it the easy way prefer to use the wonders of technology, such as the food processor or a blender. But if you want to do it the authentic Thai street style, well, you need to get a big mortar and pestle and start pounding the ingredients. The process itself is actually quite straightforward. You start by scoring the flesh of the papaya with a knife and then slice the layer to create thin strips. Then in a mortar, you put the roasted peanuts, tomatoes, green beans, a lot of Thai red chilies, garlic, dried shrimps, and a sauce made with palm sugar, fish sauce, and tamarind or lime juice for flavor. You just need to pound all the ingredients, but not too much that you turn the entire thing into an unrecognizable mush. It is important to maintain the individual structures of every ingredient to preserve their respective textures. Coming in number 4 on our list is Thailand's special roast chicken, Kai Yang. Kai Yang has a very interesting origin story. Although considered a part of Thailand, Kai Yang's birthplace, the region of Isan, is mostly inhabited by the Lao people of Laos. In fact, Kai Yang is called Ping Kai in the Laotian language, which means roast chicken. Today, this dish is one of the most popular Thai dishes outside Thailand, where it renamed its name Kai Yang or just simply Thai barbecued chicken. For half a chicken, it'll cost 70 baht or $2, or a whole chicken for 140 baht or $4. What defines Kai Yang the most is its flavorful marinade, made with garlic, fish sauce, white pepper, and coriander. Other variations may include the use of hoisin sauce, lemongrass, palm sugar, and vinegar. The whole chicken is sliced in halves, then pounded flat and held together by sticks to maintain its shape. Once the chicken fully absorbs the flavors of the marinade, it is grilled over live charcoal in low heat. And you must be so careful not to burn the chicken skin and leave the meat dry. Kai Yang used to be known as a royal Lao dish. Today, anyone in Thailand can eat this chicken delight. Just follow your nose for the roasted chickens. Coming in 5th on our Thai street food trip is the Khao Lam. The popular Thai dessert is a very traditional looking delicacy displaying the ingenuity of Thailand's people. This dessert can be found in most markets for 35 baht or just $1. The olden recipe of Khao Lam is straightforward and seemingly unappealing. It is simply a combination of rice, water, and salt. However, modern variations include more creative sweets such as grated coconut, sugar, coconut milk, and red beans. The sticky rice is mixed with ingredients that you can pick right at the food stand and place inside a hollow bamboo stick. It is then topped with coconut milk, carefully sealed and placed over hot coals. The end result is a sticky rice pudding with a sweet, buoyant texture. If you're not in the mood for savory dishes, Khao Lam is a sweet alternative to fill your stomach. Thanks again for tuning in with us here today at Foodie Legends for our latest episode. I hope you enjoyed this video and got a nice taste into the mouth-watering street food dishes that Thailand has to offer. Before you go, be sure to like this video and click the subscribe button for more delicious content every week. We'd love to hear your thoughts too, so leave a comment below to let us know what your favorite part of the video was, or if you want to just leave us with a few thoughts. You guys are awesome. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next one.